Hey guys, before we start, please like and subscribe, then click the notification bell icon for more video. You'll be updated. Have you ever read the label on your shampoo bottle? You'll be shocked to learn that the ingredients found in many shampoos may pose a threat to your health. Research has shown that various chemicals lurking inside shampoo may induce serious health risks, like memory loss, eye and skin irritation, hair follicle damage that can lead to hair loss, and even cancer. While the U.S. Food and Drug Administration classifies personal care products, it does not regulate them. Therefore, there are no legal guidelines or boundaries for shampoo manufacturers to follow. The descriptive, all-natural, has become a buzzword in the beauty world for environmental friendliness. What some shampoo makers leave out, however, is they still use the lathering agents, emulsifiers and synthetic fragrances that contain hundreds of harmful chemicals. According to a company called Blink Inc., it is very likely that the list of ingredients in a bottle of shampoo will contain some of the following additives. Propylene glycol, known as the main ingredient in antifreeze, is also found in makeup, toothpaste and in your shampoo. It can cause allergic reactions. Sodium lauryl sulfate and ammonium lauryl sulfate are common causes of eye irritation. They can also damage hair follicles. When absorbed into the body from continuous contact, they can bring on asthma attacks. Synthetic fragrances contain hundreds of chemicals, some of which have been known to cause headaches, dizziness, rash, hyperpigmentation, coughing and vomiting. The National Toxicology Program found that applying diethanolamine to a mouse's skin induced liver and kidney cancer. Dia is readily absorbed through the skin and can also be toxic to the brain. But before you decide to never wash your hair again, Blink Inc. is simplifying consumer education by consolidating official government research on questionable ingredients found in many shampoos, conditioners and body washes. The company's philosophy of "why take a chance?" means there are no controversial ingredients in its haircare products. They are 99.8% vegetable-derived and as close to natural as possible while effectively cleansing without causing irritation to eyes or skin or damaging hair. Don't forget to subscribe.